Basi viengia ya jire ngumanga bunalero.
Umuco mano Nairobi. Si Nyamira Nechingongo chinde Chinsa ya Kenya. Abariki baitomba bakorenta mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano. Emanya mange na boigo bwatra n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo chyomugusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Tomo chago tengere merobere ito yogosemya na gukumanya yago korekana kira rituko. Nabariki baitu beandrete chinga kichons asengencho yao. Eariganie asobo tengali botali no mubwekano. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Manjito mulgeria bwigeta sengen Ensoko TV ni golira bali na weka Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabona mugaso chinga kina kwaliganirira Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere karansoike yonyore gatiana kwaliganirire mesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere murabutambe chendea na ndemo na dinyuranga na botunyora somtanda ito Facebook kukaso mtandao YouTube iro nyari go kwemanye gatialia twa kwaliganirire. Manjito mulgeria togo chaka bene ritkulia lero nigo muraibensi ya Kenya Muski William Samoei Ruto arairo morobirio gose egekaro kyogo ligeria nabugo kumulikira kisemi mensi ya Kenya asibate biremba chikwenekia bunango sira bali birengo bikisemi ebinyale bigo kina nabugo kwenekia bune mirobirio yonsi eganirgo ikirani wasche skuro nechikwekiranirwa no morobirio gendete kwenekiwa asensemo ya Naivasha ime county ya Nakuru ne yanere nkwana ya Julius Ogamba.
Now being released to schools on time, making a significant milestone in improving efficiency and stability within our sector. In the TVET subsector, enrollment continues to rise steadily, and we are progressing towards our target of 2 million. We are currently at almost 800,000, having moved from 297,000 in the year 2022 when this administration took office. Additionally, we've employed 3,300 trainers with an additional 1,000 set to be recruited by July this year. Training fees in these institutions has also been reduced to 67,189, thereby making it possible for more students to join our programs. The curriculum has been modularized, meaning certification can now be done within a shorter period, enabling people to be able to acquire skills to earn a living as they continue progressively scaling their skills. We have introduced policies in the sector that are learner-based or trainee-based. For example, we now have the recognition of prior learning and the dual training policy in place that continues to support our learners. In the higher education subsector, Your Excellency, we've addressed persistent industrial unrest that previously affected that sector by establishing mechanisms for timely engagement and resolution with our unions. The means testing instrument has significantly improved, while tuition fees in higher education has also been reduced by between 15 to 40%, thereby making education in the higher subsector more accessible and more affordable. Our institutions and universities, Your Excellency, are also preparing adequately to receive their first cohort of the CBE learners in 2029. And part of the discussions here today will be how is that going to be undertaken. Your Excellency, leadership and accountability remain the twin pillars of transformation in our education sector. Teacher union associations, education officers, quality assurance officers are working complementarily together to ensure that we receive the responsibilities or we are able to.
Mwanjito maligeria tutigarete asensemo yekisemi ni gatia baraikoro asorongo rwa gusibe kubolia omwaziri wekisemi Julius Ogamba kwenekia bunango chiale kwenekia obrayobiya ase Polytechnic ya Kisi asatibate bire buno burayibororo nigo bokobunana amachikali abekiroro nabo igonere bya banyale bakorenta monjolio ase chiskuru chonsi chobubundi wa maboko.
Schedule 1 seems to discredit that appointment because it provides out the requirements that are meant to be met by those who are appointed to that office by the Cabinet Secretary Education. Now you are aware Santino Ocharo Ratemo was appointed to that position together with 2 other reappointments of the board members, contrary to the provisions of Mwongozo Act of 2013 and Schedule 1 of the TVET Act Kenya. I want to bring to the attention of the public that we are in Mr. Dr. Jonah Kola left. The public anticipated for proper management of that institution, including the resources, appointment of officers to office, which follows competence-based procedures that are provided for in the Public Service Commission regulations and guidelines. Now, it is very clear that the appointment is illegal, and we want to call upon the CS to rescind and withdraw the Gazette notice that was released recently by himself and his office in respect to the appointment of the chair, Kisii National Polytechnic, because the person in question does not hold that professional qualification or requirement of between 10 to 15 years of practice, wide experience. And so we are also calling upon the CS to look upon on the processes which are supposed to be strictly followed by the TVET Act, the Kenya National Polytechnic 2016 Legal Notice Order number 93 that sets out the requirements of persons to be appointed to the board that is called the Governing Council of the Kisii National Polytechnic and other national polytechnics in the country.
Nabego manchito murigeria litukolia lero nigo omona chebi na ao monene hojwa samarieta Mohamed Walisame abakagutianirwa imeyabese yomora ibenso senyumba yoborai asara chigo cha kemero biriyaye aboigo koirari chiko asentra yabene niga bakagutianirwa no mora ibensi ya Kenya naboige gati yaba wakiri bande nigo baba bagutianirwa bekerengo kegoro eribanyari bagucha kemero yaba asentra yabene.
Mohamed Abdullahi Warsame, a judge of the Supreme Court, do swear in the name of the Almighty God to diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya and to impartially do justice in accordance with this Constitution established and the laws and the customs of the Republic, without any fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, or other influence in the exercise of the judicial functions entrusted to me. I will at all times and to the best of my knowledge and ability protect, administer, and defend this Constitution with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the judiciary and the judicial system of Kenya and promoting fairness, independence, competence, and integrity within it. So help me God.
I congratulate you, Justice Mohamed Abdullahi Warsame, on becoming the 14th distinguished Kenyan to earn the singular honor and privilege of serving as a judge of the Supreme Court of Kenya. since the court's establishment nearly 15 years ago. The Supreme Court, as our nation's apex judicial institution, stands as the ultimate guardian of the Constitution and the impartial arbiter of Kenya's most profound legal and constitutional questions. I am pleased to note that over the past 15 years, the court has remained steadfast in the discharge of its solemn mandate, consistently affirming the supremacy of the Constitution, safeguarding the sovereignty of the people of Kenya, and defending the independence of the judiciary.
Manjito Murigeria Togosika Mutwe nigo mugavana w'ikaunti ya Trans Nzoia George Natembeya hamwe mukirio muraibensi ya Kenya asatebire bunaniga komogosereria nabaigoniga mu woldio komwachingaki ire nyarega gwikirania emirubiri yaye ase county yae buneganire.
Wana kule wanakuja kuja kufanya siasa hapa, na sisi we shall never be cowed, we shall never be intimidated. Mimi najua mimi ndio wanatafuta, wanaenda tu kando hivi, wanataka kuja kunishika mimi. Mkuje mkanishike, mimi sina wasiwasi. Kujeni mnishike, kama badala kusumbua watu wangu. Ambia Ruto yeye mwenyewe akuja afanye nini? Akuja anishike, maana hii ndio yeye mwenyewe anafanya. Yeye amri zote zinatoka kwake na Murkomen hata amehamia.
Manjito Murigeria Togosika Mutwe nige gati abamenyi kurwase county ya Nairobi baboligwe kwenekia bunango bwati baririchiko ekero bakugura chindemero gusekero bakugura amarimo asiba kunyara bakwagacha gusiga korobo menyo bwabo neye maega yigati chinyumba gutagurwa asinsemo cyo Nairobi chingaki mugaba be county ya Nairobi Moske Johnson Sakacha agendete kuringoligwa mutiye senate goro yo gutaguro gwigati chinyumba imemo cyo Nairobi wana baigoni yigati abarayibe sokire na kubolia abamenyi bechinsemo cya Nairobi kwenekya buna kubwati bariri chiko chingaki bakogora chindemero iribanyara bakolenda enibo yabo asentirelia ebwenerete.
Hii exercise tutaendelea nayo for the next 3 weeks. So hii river ya kwanza tunamalizana nayo probably today or tomorrow, and then we go to the next one and then the third one. So the next 3 weeks, 21 days we are here making sure that we are saving people of Kidunguri from flooding. Let's say everybody in Kidunguri has been affected by these floods. So, and the structures which we have already demolished, those who have encroached more so is the border wall. Border walls, most of them have been affected, but the building, there are like 4 or 5 which has been affected, and the owners have agreed to cooperate with us. And as nimekueleza, we are giving a chance to cut the houses so that on our site now we can go and channel the river. Wakati unauziwa shamba na hawa wauzaji wa shamba, make sure unanunua shamba ile iko adhili, sababu wengine uliuziwa shamba na umeuziwa kwa mto, nao ulijenga nao unabomolewa. So ile kitu nawauliza ni kwamba before you invest on buying a land, please do diligent on the history of the land. Na ile ingine ningeomba wananchi ni kwa sababu tunaendelea na hii mto ya kwanza, tunaenda ya pili na ya tatu, tunauliza cooperation watusaidie ndio tuweze kuwasaidia kuwafungulia hizi mito na mambo ya maji
Manjito Murigeria barai ao nigo baikiranira senyumba yaye moseneta bwe county ya Kisii umuske mamoimo nyonka asoko mwengora mega yogusiria mamo mwabo. Manjito Murigeria egatia barai yabo Doris Donyaburi yoromo kumerere bwe county ya Kisii nabigo obgati yabarai kurwa chinsemo ao torale gatialia abakawikiranirwa litkuria lero nabige gatia barai bali banyara bagwikirania eri banyare bakomoa engora moseneto yubwe county ya Kisii asoko mosiria mamo mwabo. na gwikira gwo manchito murigeria bwigeta Sengen Soko TV nankubutura Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabon mugaso kureni no yanyora yanda mange no yomintoli net nyambane chikora Chinsa ikomi chabon margoba na bigen sayamo yabona margoba na Chinsa isato chamargoba no nyore asobwagari chinga kyabasaki bitu bagendete kwene kyabuna koko manyo bari gati yali agendete gwatika kura Chinsemo kulinda swaniga gende gucengere mero byeito mireta Sengen Soko TV nero basubo magusi ura butambo nyorenga na bagotunyara simtanda yetu yekerero ilikwanyara kwegokya nabigo kwimanya egati yali tukwariganete director Uncle J kurasi studio kabere nabigo director Zak biya mono sana sokwene kyamna chibicha na mali ginko mukiraro murgiria century abene na nchimo igo manchito murgiria korokodana nemo tumerane ankyo asemesa yamaya